Yeah, my people, big up. So, you're right now, this is gonna be my first video, in a car since I come back, right? Yeah, since the breakdown, I take on my come back on the channel and thing. So this is the first video in the car. And right about now, people, I'm just analyzing a thing and just talking about that thing. Recently, we do me see a go on, and we do the man them kill off the woman and them thing there, you understand? Because that's a main topic we are hit the mainstream. Yeah, worldwide right now we are going to Jamaica. You understand? Because it come like say everything turned towards the woman them now. The man them take a thing different. But recently we see the killing. As me I tell her we go on over Georgia there with the lady there. She's a Jamaican, yeah, the 47-year-old female there, and the brother is Jamaican also. He's 30 years old, and yeah, she is 17 years older than this young man where she take up from Manchester and bring him go to Georgia. You get me as a people? But the thing is now, this lady, she filed for this man because yeah, they married, and she filed for him, get him in the States and everything. You understand? Him did their work, find a nice job. You get me? He still is a DJ, him still a key party and everything. So him make money, him eat a food. But honestly, it seems that their relationship have problems. I don't know what caused the problem. To me, alright, for my whole thinking of the thing is this lady, she's older than him, you understand? 17 years old. This is a young man, you understand? You know, young people maybe love the party lifestyle. Like I say, he's a party man, he's a DJ, and you understand? Things can be here, jealousy, so bring argument, and maybe him not like argument, and all for something, so anything can cause all for thing there, so. But people, what I'm really saying is right now, you understand? You see what the brother they did do? You see what him do right now? He make things bad for many Jamaicans right now. I'm telling you, he make things bad for many Jamaicans, because right now if a woman did have it in her mind, say, yo, you know, me I bring my man come a foreign and he's a younger man, me I tell her, say, dog, me am your supper. Me I say, dog, me am your supper, because you're scared. Yo, this man make a whole heap of woman scared now when the people are tell her that, you know. Just read the comment sections and a lot of my videos and you will see. See? About the same topic, yeah. The man make a whole heap of woman scared. You get me? Them man just go foreign sometimes for just make things bad for them, they younger brother them and for other. You get me as a bridge in the street, you know. Because you have good man out there who not do them shit there, you know, people. Me I tell you that, you know. You have good man out there who will walk away and run away from them things that they not do it, and they will try them best and fix things, you get me? But them brother you know who come like say something lick them head, or you get me I say them chip get licked. Them do some things they come like them not think and just mess up everything, you know. See? Right now, I tell the people, thousands of Jamaican out there who should be going to the USR, who did I get filed for me. I tell us right now, I know all them the filing paper they cut off already, or the people them think twice. You get me? Look on the alley incident where two female tourists, right? They are the hotel and a worker go there. And going for the people, them trainee worker and rape woman and them sitting there with gun and them thing there. Yo, the man them gonna make things bad for many Jamaicans out there, you know? Yeah? And yeah, yo, me said you have some man, John was star, I don't know what flying at them man head in a man, then just mess up everything bad. So just imagine things continue like this for the next 5 years. When my son I go through, things are go hard for my son, make it then and go through and my daughter them. Because if I saw them money are deal with the thing, and the real say you know good people. Me have be honest here, you know good. It's not a good look. See? The man them not think. The man damage up everything and I make everything bad for other people. See? Everything bad. You get me? You know how much young youth out there get your chance to go foreign by filing for them thing there. You know how much young youth. Imagine somebody they are foreign and them fall in love with a Zine, and them have a heart to take you up as a younger man, Zine, and bring her because they love you, you know, daddy. They not have to do it, you know, because all the man they are foreign to, you know, Zine. All the man they are foreign to, Zine, and they have a heart to take you up the car. You make you find a nice job, you make money, you have about 3 cars parked up in your yard. When they are Jamaica, maybe you drive Corolla, you reach for you drive 3 Lexus, Zine, and you manage to have a heart to stab the woman and bust it through till one piece of string hold you up. Brother, I don't know what God will not serve, you know, but he come like I devil will not serve or some. You get me I say? And when if you go to prison now and you have food and I live while somebody body got decay under the earth, and only the road I live life, and maybe in a prison I live life and everything. Enough for work, so I just the truth, no link at all. Man like you, what do them the crime and deserve for you, I'm no food bridging. Big man thing, you need to get the chair. Honestly, me I hope them give the chair, you know. You brother who kill the lady, me I hope them give the chair, my youth. Me I tell you the truth. Me I hope you get the chair. You don't deserve to live. I mean, I want them give an electric chair. More than give the injection, because injection work in your body and you feel data come and your muscles them are lock off and you can't breathe and suffocate at the same time. You get me? So I don't want you again and look current and dead so easy. I'm ready to get the injection. I'm not too wicked. See? So all of my females them out there, just please be careful. You get me? I say, be careful. I'm not telling you the honest truth. See? If you know so have a good man, right? On him there for years on the know say him good. On you can help him, bring him up, help him out. See? Help him up, but still be careful. See me? Still be careful. Because sometimes the man them there Jamaica and them good, and when them go foreign, they make this foreign thing hit them head and just change them up like them face and then they reach I hit that. But it's not hit my youth. And I hit that. See? Some that's why I'm saying if you don't love the person but I'm married to the person, then big man thing. Not just the help because you can't hold it. You cannot hold it. See? So all of my viewers and my subscribers, enough respect, you know. I don't know the thing of this a Newlink production, and keep on supporting, keep on liking, keep on commenting, keep on sharing the videos. You understand? And spread the word of love from Newlink and the production team. Big up on yourself, people don't know enough love and respect. Big up.